Oh my God.
Guided by the firm's trusted consigliere, she hilariously defies everyone's expectations, including her own, as the new head of the family business. Alfie and Mama only in theaters April 14.
By now, you know that sound. It's the sound of the Home Depot.
Too many eggs in one basket is sad all the way around.
Eggs in one basket.
Always sad. When I see some guy and he's got his 64 Mustang notchback and he's like, I got this fresh out of the military. It's been 57 years. This is my baby. And you're looking at an $8,000 car that this guy's built his entire life around.
Yeah.
Write that in there.
Yeah.
Paper, and he's invested in the paper. Every dollar of profit that the paper makes is plowed back into making
Dios
it
mío, miren,
a
accidente,
better
accidente,
paper.
accidente, accidente, accidente.
But he's also allowed the Post to
Accidente,
hire
accidente,
He's
accidente.
not in Smooth's room. He reversed one bit of atmosphere of sort of